And Jason, a quick update on the Puppy Bowl. The two Maine pups led their team to a victory. Team Fluff won today, the first overtime in Puppy Bowl history. So the Maine magic was really on full display on national television.
And I have to follow up the weather forecast with after the Puppy Bowl, after the rescue of all things.
Right.
I give up. I can't follow that up. I mean,
is it raining cats and
oh,
dogs
here
this
we
week?
go. You knew you were going to go there, Sam.
I thought about that 30 seconds ago.
Yeah, nailed it. It is not going to be raining cats and dogs, just to answer your question. It's also not going to be as cold as it could be for February standards. Light snow as we get late Monday to early Tuesday and making a run for 60. Yes, I said 60 in mid-February and then briefly cooler after that. So we are going to cool down. How about satellite and radar now? Clouds mostly southern Maine. A little bit lower and thicker, but they're basically high clouds. No threat there of any precip. How about temperatures currently? 32 Caribou, 39 Portland. I mean, statewide, it's pretty mild by February standards anytime temps are generally above freezing. The sky clear except for southern coast, mid-coast getting in on some cloud cover. That's from this storm that's kind of cranking just a bit over North Carolina, heading out the Outer Banks. This storm is going to track to our south. We'll get clouds into the day tomorrow. We will not get precip during the daylight hours. How about the hour-by-hour forecast here? Taking you through your Sunday evening. If you're headed out for dinner tonight, it will be clear for the most part. The clouds being picked up, but that's about it. No precip, no umbrella needed for those raining cats and dogs Sam was talking about. 30s and 20s across the board here. Into your Monday, you're going to watch what happens here. More cloud cover as a storm is going to graze us to the south, really just graze Cape Cod, not us here in Maine. So you see the green kind of pop up well off the coast. So don't worry about any precipitation during the day Monday at all, except for a few flurries here coming in from the north. And then as we get into the forecast Monday night, here I'll stop it. This is really Tuesday about 1 o'clock in the morning. Here comes the snow, okay? And it's light. This is not going to be a big deal at all. Snow moves in from the west, and then it's over and gone with as we get through middle of the day Tuesday. So a quick burst, a coating to an inch at most statewide. This is not going to be a big deal. However, it doesn't take a lot. Anytime you're talking about, kind of slicking up the roads, and also how about the sidewalks. The March feel is here, even though we're in mid-February. We'll make a run for that 60 on Thursday. We'll get to 56 at least, and then we briefly cool down on Saturday. For the Mariners, seas at 2 to 4 feet. The wind's going to be out of the northeast, 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 25. Could have been a nor'easter. It's not going to be a nor'easter, not for us at all. Water temp at 41. Small craft advisory up. That's going to be up from Monday morning until Monday evening. So just take it a little bit bumpy, obviously, out there on the seas. How about the forecast the next 7 days inland? 38 degrees for tomorrow. We're still above average despite the clouds and a northerly breeze. In February, that could mean very cold. It will not. Tuesday, it's that early morning light snow before you wake up, and it shouldn't be that big of a deal, but watch out. Could be a little slick in the morning commute. Wednesday and then Thursday, we go from 40s to why not 50s. And then Friday, it's mostly a rain event, not looking all that heavy. There's the cool down Saturday as Old Man Winter just comes to town for one day and makes a little pit stop here. Clearly, though, on the coast especially, it's 40s every day except for Saturday 31 and Thursday 53. We only get a one-day visit really from Old Man Winter unless you want to, count that Tuesday morning little pit stop with a little bit of light snow. But overall, this looks a lot like March and almost nothing like February except for one day. If that, Sam. So we have to have a little chat with Old Man Winter and the ski resorts and the hardware stores that are relying on snow and be to pick up shovels and winter sports. We just can't find it.
Right. Yeah. And for all the people on the flip side of that, they're like, don't make the call. We're good.
Yeah, don't make the call at all because the heating bill, we don't need that. So it's a double-edged sword right now in Maine.
Right. All right, Jason. Thank you.